Hi everyone, welcome to Scene Edit Detection. What does it do? It is when you've got a bit of footage that's already been cut up, okay, and edited and rendered, and you don't have the originals and you want to slice this up into the different shots, okay, you can right click it, Scene Edit Detection, click Analyze, and somehow magically Premiere Pro will slice it up into the different parts. Look at that. Cool, huh? All right, let's show you how to do it. Even though I've just shown you how to do it, there's a tiny bit more detail that we can go into. All right, let's do it. Okay, for this one, I've got something in your fixing folder called Scene Edit Detection 01. Okay, so let's have a little look at it in the source monitor. You can see it's already been edited. Okay, it's already been cut, all the different shots. It's one long kind of finished project. And we need to have some scene edit detection. Aha. Okay, so let's make a sequence and let it do its magic. So all you do is click the clip, right click it and say, where is it? There it is there, Scene Edit Detection. Click on it. By default, it'll do this. I don't know, it's a good starting point. We'll look at each of them. So apply cut at the detected point, and it's just looking for the cuts. I don't know how it does it. It's pretty magic and it does it pretty quickly. You can see it sliced it all up. Okay, you can see first shot, cuts to this one, cuts to that one, and just cut it. I don't know how it does it. Okay, so that's one thing. You might use that. Now you've got all these different scenes. Okay, another way you might do it is you might want to chop them up like, so I've hit undo a few times. So Command Z on a Mac, Control Z on a PC. And instead of doing it that way, I'll show you another cool kind of way of using it. Scene edit detection. I don't want to apply cuts. I want to create a bin with all sub clips. Okay, and let's do that. And it did nothing here, but over here, can you see it made a folder and it's put all these subclips in. Okay, so each of these subclips are those short pieces. Okay, and I can use those separately, or you know, that might be one thing. That's it. You just want to use it for this. You're just going to use these like little subclips, okay, from the original clip, this MP4, and you're going to start reorganizing them. Okay, or you might want to re-render them. So you can select them all in here. Remember, click the first one, hold Shift, click the last one, right-click any of them, and you can go to Export Media. And you can say, you pick your format, in my case H.264, I'm going to match source, high bit rate. Okay, you decide what it needs to be. Cue them up for old media encoder. Kind of jiggles away. And then if I open up media encoder, there it is. There's all my little guys. Okay, so I'm going to select them all. Select every single one of them, change the output file. Where is it going to? Okay, I'll put mine on my desktop just to show you. Where is my desktop? There it is. Sorry, desktop, and I'm going to hit play. Hopefully, on my desktop, where is it? Here it comes. These are my little subclips. Okay, there's that first scene. Okay, there's the next cut. What is that one? There's an empty one. There's nothing in that one. I think it's still processing that one, is it? Oh, don't know what that one last one is. Got a bit confused. 3, 4, all separated out. Cool, huh? The one last thing you might use it for is instead of doing cuts. So let's undo all of that. So the same thing again, scene edit detection, and just add markers rather than cuts. Okay, just same. You see here, down here, I've got the different Shift plus. I've got different markers in there. I can hold Shift to kind of snap to them. Okay, and you can, that might be the way you prefer to work. In all honesty, haven't used it. It's cool. It's in the course. And I feel like I've squirreled that one away. There's going to be one day where I've got a final edit. You know, I've got lots of footage that is, you know, the hard drives are getting old, or, you know, I won't be able to go back to original footage for whatever reason. Either I wasn't the creator, or, no, the hard drive gives up. This is a nice way of kind of like pulling it all apart again. All right, so that is scene edit detection in Premiere Pro. Let's get on to the next video.